Hello, this is Blue Storm Wyvern, and I'm storming at you with another review. This time I'm bringing you the Studio Series World War II Hot Rod. I got this at my local Walmart in my area, and he's from the Last Night movie. So to get things started, here you have the standard Studio Series packaging. Get it into the light here. And there's the toy inside. And he's number 50 in the Studio Series line. And there's package art of him right there. And of course on the side there's another one of him. And right there is a full body shot. And right here is the publicity shot for him. Takes 24 steps to transform. And there's his vehicle mode. He's like a remold and repaint of the World War II Bumblebee, which I also own. So, and of course you got the Hasbro logo right there, Transformers logo right there in red, and on the top of the box says Transformers The Last Night. You know, the subtitle is pretty small. So in any case, there's that. So let's get them open. So there he is out of the package. There's his weapon. And of course his backdrop is the same as Bumblebee's. Now from what I've heard, that this is actually Winston Churchill's house. And they used that in the movie. Of course, got his instructions. Every toy comes with that. And just some standard paperwork that's not even really a big deal. So there you have that. Let's get him off of his display here. Get him to stand properly. Put him right there. His gun. So there's his guns. Kind of a Gatling gun, Tommy gun look to it with a large magazine there. Of course he'll hold it in his hand, but I'm going to put it in the vehicle mode. And he just pretty much transforms like World War II Bumblebee did. So, start by folding the hands, rotate them to the front, pull out the back of the calf there, swing out the wheel, flip up the foot. Just bring that down so it looks like that. Sorry, the lighting in here is just bad. So it's supposed to look like that. If you can get it straightened out properly. And do the same here on the left. Try not to pinch yourself, which is what I just did. And put those together to make the flip this up, pull these out. And here's another thing that's different from Hot Rod and Bumblebee, is that Hot Rod has these two things here, whereas Bumblebee does not. And just kind of flip his head down. Flip out the two front wheels on his back. This is supposed to, there we go, push this down. And this is supposed to rotate. And it can be tricky, so just be gentle with it. It's kind of hard to do that when got so much stuff in the way here. There we go. Just get everything back together here. And rotate at the shoulder so that the arms go in properly. That they kind of go in like that. And just bring this down. Make sure everything is tabbed in correctly. Make sure nothing kind of falls apart on you. Then, of course, flip this down. Make sure it doesn't come off. Rotate this around. Collapse it down. Oops, that came off again. Make sure everything is neatly packed in tight. Of course, put his gun right in here, and it's supposed to slide down on an angle. like that. This thing does not want to stay closed up. But in any case, that's what he looks like in his vehicle mode. So he's more grayish in color and with some black spray painted on the side. So in any case, that's pretty much how World War II hot rod goes. I mean, if you can get this to collapse down, that's good. Or if you want to, you can put the gun up here. You want to differentiate him from Bumblebee, or you can do the same with Bumblebee. Just put him. You could just basically put him however you want. But you get the basic idea of how World War II hot rod operates. So I'm sorry if the lighting in here is bad. But in any case, there he is. You can put him on the display if you want to. I wish I could get that to close down. I'll probably work on it some more a little bit later. But in any case, there he is. So as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.